Hey, what's up guys? It's Drew from TaylorTech. Welcome back to the smart home series, converting this new home into a smart home. We have Matt here again. This is his home. We have a bulk of products we're going to be starting with behind me here. Today we're going to be focusing on the Smartthings Hub. If you can grab that for me, Matt. We are going to be installing that in the office where the router is. It does require an Ethernet port. What we have in there is a router. It could also work with a switch or something else. But right here is looks like a good location for us to go ahead and put the hub, probably in that location. I'm going to hand the camera off to Matt. So I'm going to open this up. We have the hub itself, of course. I've done an unboxing on this before. So if you want to check that video out, go ahead and click the card at the top corner of the screen that you see now, and another video will be down in the description of a more detailed unboxing and setup. I've already got their account set up with this hub, so we're going to go ahead and get it all installed. Here's their Ethernet port to plug into the router. And once again, like I said in the last video, we're not going to use the backup batteries that these come with because it does actually cause issues. If you lose power, you probably lose internet anyway. And even if things run locally, it just doesn't work right. So we're going to leave the batteries out. So the hub will probably go in this location here. Get our Ethernet cable. There. And there. Get our power. Alright, and that's pretty much as simple as it is to get the hub set up. We'll go ahead and jump on a phone here. We'll probably go ahead and use their iPhone to get this set up. Like I said, we've already created the account. We're just going to go ahead and log in and get everything kind of coordinated, making sure everything is working. Alright, so now that we've got the hub plugged in and ready to go, we're going to hop into the Smartthings app here. Enter our email and password. Alright, and now we are in. So our hub is now connected to our app. We've got, we don't have any devices connected yet except for these default ones, which it has detected. The smart TV that's in there, it's a new Samsung TV, so you are able to control that from Smartthings natively. But we will be adding a lot more devices to add to Smartthings in the next coming weeks and months, so stay tuned to that. So just a quick introduction of Smartthings. Like I said before, if you want to check out the full setup and installation guide and setup through the Smartthings app, go ahead and click on the card in the top left corner of the screen, and the video will be down in the description box below, so you make sure to check that one out first. Anyways guys, that's it for this quick video. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button down below, and stay tuned for episode 3 of this smart home series. I'll see you in the next one.